Today we're showing you a 2007 John Deere 5225 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor has just under 800 hours on it. It's a very clean, very nice tractor. It was traded in locally here. Tractor's in good mechanical shape. Cosmetically, the tractor's paint is nice and bright and shiny. It's a very clean, very nice tractor. Comes with a 542 quick attach front loader. It's got the cold weather package with the block heater and glow plugs. 56 horsepower. It's got the quick attach bucket. It's got the heavy duty bucket with hold on cutting edge, front grill guard and front weight carrier. A little bit of damage here to the front of the hood, very minor. The level indicator on the loader there. Again, 56 horsepower. It's got 16,930 Firestone Radial rear tires, one set of rear wheel weights, treads in good shape, telescopic 3-point arms. It's got the stabilizer bars, 540 and 540E PTO. Top link goes with it. Dual hydraulics back here. Rear wiper, rear work lights. Very, very clean tractor. And again, this tractor was traded in locally. Interior of the cab is in excellent condition as well. It's got the air ride seat here for the operator. Left of the seat here, you've got your PTO engagement and your 540, 540E PTO selector. So I have a cup holder here in the console. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. To the right here, you've got your two main transmission levers. You got 3 ranges back here, 4 gears, which are synchronized up top here. Gives you a total of 12 speeds. Factory installed loader joystick to operate your loader. On the control console, you've got your hydraulic, 3-point and hand throttle levers. Wiper switch and power point back behind you there. Up top, you've got radio, heat and air conditioning controls, rear view mirror, sun visor, differential lock down below, foot throttle over there to the right, clutch pedals and brake pedals also there. Very clean unit. Again, just under 800 hours on it. Was traded in locally. Very, very nice tractor. We do offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please give us a call.